Hello and welcome to online math coaching. Today we will start a very important topic named maximum and minimum values of trigonometric functions. Okay, we can set trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, etc. Okay, first we see the range of all the t ratios. Okay, sin theta and cos theta. Sin n theta or cosine theta always lies between -1 and 1. This means that sin theta and cos theta can't take value outside -1 and 1. If I say sin theta is equal to 2, not possible because this is out of range. It is not defined. Okay, these are the graph of both the function. Now we will move to our next ratios, tangent and chord. Tangent and chord can take any values, can take all values. This means that the range is from -infinity to infinity. All values are possible at any particular theta. If I say tangent theta is equal to 4, possible. If I say tangent theta is equal to -8, possible. Same case for the chord. Tangent and cotangent can take any value. Now we will move to our next t ratios, cosecant and secant. Cosecant and secant also can take any value, but their value doesn't lie between -1 and 1. So their range are -infinity to -1 and 1 to +infinity, but not between -1 and 1. This sign denotes -1 and 1 are included. Cosecant and secant may take value of -1 and 1. Read this note, very important. Okay, now I want to discuss 2 to 3 things. Okay, as I can see, tangent, cotangent, cosecant and secant at some value of theta, their maximum value is +infinity at some value. If these are present, tangent, cotangent, cosecant and secant, individually or with some other combinations, maximum is always +infinity. In that case, maximum will not be quotient. Okay, I again repeat, if tangent, cotangent, cosecant and secant are present alone or with some combination, tangent maybe with sine or cos, then maximum is always +infinity. We have to concentrate only on the minimum values. One more thing I want to discuss. We have to understand the case of plus, minus, division and multiplication. See, a function is 4 plus x, for example 4x. Another function is 4 minus x, or I can say 4 divided by x. Now if I have to find the maximum value of this, as 4 is constant, it doesn't matter, only x matter. If x is maximum, because there is plus sign, more added, value will be more, then its value will be maximum. So this will be maximum when x is maximum. Same is this. If x will be more, this function will be more, because more number multiplied, value will be more. But here the scene is opposite. Minus, it is maximum when x is minimum, because as low as we can minus, the function will become maximum. Same case is here. If x is minimum, this function will be maximum, and if x is maximum, this function will be minimum. So in case of plus and multiply, the value is more if the variable is more, the value is less if the variable is less. But in case of minus and division, maximum is only when the function is minimum, and minimum is only when variable is maximum. Thank you. For more tricky videos like this, WhatsApp on my number 9728435915. Thank you. Hello students. In first video you have seen the ranges of all the trigonometric functions. Now The trigonometry maximum belongs to tricky part. Okay, you can cram. If you can't cram, we will also give you full solution. But if you can cram 4 to 5 tricks, it's like GK. Okay, let us see the first trick. A sin theta plus minus b cos theta. Combination of sine and cosine linear, no power is there, only coefficient are there, either plus or minus, both can be present here. Minimum is minus of root a square plus b square, and maximum is same but plus sign is there. Now from where it comes? Maths is to learn, not to cram. So first we need to know from where this comes. So for this we make proof of this. See, a sin theta plus b cos theta, multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Okay, I assumed a triangle with base a and perpendicular b. Okay, this angle is alpha, hypotenuse will become this. Okay, so can I write a upon root a square plus b square as cos alpha, because a is base upon hypotenuse is what? Cos. Same is b upon root a square plus b square is sin alpha, because perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin. And this becomes the formula of sin a plus b. Sin a cos b cos a sin b, sin theta plus alpha. Okay, and I know the maximum value is only this is variable, this is constant. Okay, maximum value is of sin is 1, so maximum value of whole this function will become this. Minimum of sin is -1, so minimum will become this. This is the proof of this result, but for example we only need to follow this result. See one or two example. Find the value of 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Is a is 3, b is 4. Simply put, maximum will be plus 5 and minimum is minus 5. See another example. Sin theta plus 2 cos theta. A is 1, b is 2. Put here, value is root 5 and minus root 5. For more tricky videos like this, 9728435915. As you all know, CGL calendar is come out and the exam of CGL 2017 is in April. Those students who want to prepare may join our online batch from basic, starting soon. Thank you. Hello students, let's see the application of the trick learned earlier. What was the trick? A sin theta plus minus b cos theta, minimum value is root of a square plus b square and maximum value is plus root of a square plus b square. Now we will see application of this. See this question. We have to find the maximum and minimum value of this function. As 1 is constant, it doesn't matter. I write 1 as it is. Plus sign is present before variable. This function is maximum when the variable is maximum. Its maximum value is root of a square plus b square. The maximum is 6. Minimum when the variable is minimum. The minimum is minus this. The minimum value is minus 4. Let's focus on another question. Here see 1 minus, as already discussed, if function is in the form 4 minus x, where x is variable. Here what is variable? This is the full function is variable. This is maximum when x is minimum, and this is minimum when x is maximum. It is maximum when this function is minimum. This function minimum value is minus 5. 1 minus minus 5, minus minus become plus. This function maximum is 6. And when this is minimum when this is maximum. And what is the maximum value of this? 5. 1 minus 5, minimum value will be minus 4. See another example. This trick is applicable only when theta is same. Here is theta, here is theta. If here is 2 theta, here must be 2 theta. If here is alpha, here must be alpha. See this question. Sin theta cos theta plus 30. I can't apply because here is theta, here is theta plus 30. So I have to convert in this theta. I apply cos A plus B. This will come out. Put cos 30 and sin 30. After solving, I will get this. Now here I can apply the trick because theta and theta are same. A is 1 by 2 and B is root 3 by 2. Okay, put the value maximal will be 1 and minimal will be minus 1. You can try this question. Answer is root 3 and minus root 3. See one more question. See, find the maximum and minimum value of this function. If you see carefully this question, hint is there. This is 3 raised to power 3 and this is 3 raised to power 4. I can write this and this. If base are same, power get added. Focus on this. This whole function will be maximum when power is maximum. Power maximum value is 5, already discussed. Maximum is 3 raised to 5. This is minimum when this is minimum, power is minimum minus 5. Minimum value is this. You can try this question also, answer these. For more trick like this, WhatsApp on our number 97284359115. Thank you. Hello students. Now we will move over to our next part. Okay, till now we have learned only linear equations. No square, no cube, no any other power, only linear, single power. Okay, now we will move to squares. The range of sine square and cos square, as square can't be negative, so minimum value is always 0 and maximum is 1. So sine square and cos square always lies between 0 and 1. Okay, now see this question. First we try to solve it, then we will give a trick of this. Always make use of identities to convert it in single theta, either sine, cos, tan, cos, cotangent, because we originally know the range of only these. So I can write 3 cos square as 2 cos square plus cos square. 2 is common. We know sine square plus cos square is 1. Now I converted this is only in cos. As plus sign is present, this function is maximum, this is maximum. Cos square maximum value is 1, so maximum value is 3. This is minimum and cos square is minimum. Minimum value of cos square is 0, so this minimum value is 2. But in exam we can't solve this way because competition level is so high. So what is the trick? In this type of question, either plus or minus is present. A sin square theta plus B cos square theta. Only square I am telling. The minimum between A and B, the coefficient, is the minimum value, and the maximum between A and B is the maximum value. See, here minimum is 2, so minimum value is 2. Maximum is 3, so maximum is 3. See this example. 5 sin square theta minus 8 cos square theta. What is the maximum? Not 8, this is minus 8. Maximum is plus 8, 5. So maximum value is plus 5. Minimum is minus 8. Minimum is minus 8. So that always try to find the minimum and maximum value of this sin square plus cos square. But what is identity? Identity is a relation that is true for all theta. Its value is always 1. We can't find its maximum and minimum value. It's always 1. Okay, let's see one more example. See, 4 raised to power sin square theta multiply by 8. I can write this as base is same, power can be added. Already solved. Maximum value is 3 and minimum value is 2. But in this case also you can apply the previous trick. What is the minimum between 4 and 8? 4. The minimum value is 4. What is the maximum between 4 and 8? 8. The maximum value is 8. See another example. What is minimum? 27. The minimum value is 27. What is maximum? 81. Maximum is 81. For more trick like this, WhatsApp on our number 97284359115. Thank you. Hello and welcome students to our tricks. Find the maximum and minimum value of this function. As already told, try to make it in single theta. Okay, so it's upon you and your knowledge how you convert. There are so many different ways. I will convert in this way. As we all know, a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. Can I write this as sin square whole square plus cos square a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Whenever you see sine and cos product and you have to convert it in 1 theta, always take alpha of this formula, sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta into cos theta. Multiply this by 2 and divide by 2. Why? Because sine 2 theta is 2 sine cos and this is square. Can I write this? This is sine 2 theta. After coming here, see what is the variable part? Sine square 2 theta. Minus is present. This function is maximum when this is minimum. Sin square minimum value is 0. The function maximum value is 1. When this is minimum, when sin square is maximum, sin square maximum value is 1. The minimum is 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, this is how we can solve it. But what is the tricky part? When there is any form like sine raised to power m theta plus cos raised to power n theta, if m and n are even, for example, here is 4, here is 4, here is 6, here is 6, or here may be 2 or here may be 4, but question is m and n must be even, then maximum is always 1. Maximum is always 1 and minimum is always at theta is equal to 45. Theta is equal to 45. So maximum is 1. For minimum put 45. 1 raised to power 4. 1 by 2 raised to power 4. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to sorry, at raised to power 4. This is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. The minimum is 1 by 2. See another example. Sin 6 plus cos 6. As power are even, maximum is always 1. Minimum at theta is equal to 45. Put 45 here. Value is 1 by 4. Thank you. For more trick like this, WhatsApp on our number 97284359115. Thank you. Hello students, let's move to our new trick. Okay, before reading this trick I want to tell you some basic things. Okay, what is the basic things? Let's see. If I say any number is greater than equal to 2, it can't be less than 2, but it may be 2 or greater than 2. This means 2 is its minimum value because all values are greater than 2. If I say any number is less than equal to 2, then it can be less, but it can't be more than 2 or equal to 2. This means 2 is its maximum value. I hope you understand this. Now, there are two important things. One is called arithmetic mean, another is called geometric mean. Arithmetic mean of two number is add 2 and divide by 2, and geometric mean of two number is multiply the two number and take the square root. but it is the concept of algebra. The arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to geometric mean. This means a plus b by 2 is always greater than root ab, or I can say a plus b is always greater than equal to 2 root a b. Now there is very important and smart application in trigonometry of this theorem. See, if I have two numbers of the form ax square and another number of the form b by x square, then the arithmetic mean is this and geometric mean is this. X square get cancelled out by x square. After solving, I will get this result. Ax square plus b by x square is always greater than equal to 2 root ab. This can be smartly used to find the maximum and minimum value in the trigonometric functions. But as I already discussed, and by this what we mean greater than equal to 2 root ab. 2 root ab is the minimum value. Okay. Now, as already discussed, whenever there is present secant, cosecant, tangent, cotangent, maximum is never asked because maximum is always infinity. Only we have to focus on minimum value. See, we have to find the minimum value of this function. Okay. Can I write cosecant as 1 upon sin square? Can these two form are equal? Yes. Okay, so its minimum value is 2 root ab. A is 4 and b is 9. So this is greater than equal to 12, means this minimum value is 12. Same is the case of with cos and secant, tangent and cotangent. Hope you understand. Okay, let us discuss a very important question based on this. See, we have to find the minimum and maximum value of this function cosecant plus secant square plus tangent square plus cotangent square. But as already mentioned, if there may present any of these 4 theta or with any other combination, maximum is always infinity. So we have to focus only on minimum, and in starting we will try to change in single theta or the result we know. The cosecant square theta I can write 1 plus cot square and secant 1 plus tangent square. After solving this, we will get 2 plus this. As I know result of this relation, plus is present. This is minimum when this function is minimum, and its minimum value is 2 multiple 2 root ab. A is 2 and b is 2. Answer is 6. Hope you understand. For more trick like this, WhatsApp on 97284359115. Thank you. Hello students, now we will see one more examples. We have to find the minimum value of this. As secant is present or cosecant is present, maximum is always infinity. So we will try to change in tangent and cot because we know that minimum value result for tangent and cot. Okay, so I can write this as this and this as this. This is 25. 9 tangent square plus 16 cot square is the form of ax square plus b by x square. Its minimum value is 2 root ab. A is 9, b is 16. So this is 144. 144 root is 12. 12 multiplied by 2, 24. 24 plus 25, 49. But a direct result also is there for the form a secant square theta plus b cosecant square theta is always greater than equal to root of a plus root of b ka whole square. What is a 9? 9 root is 3. What is b? 16. 16 root is 4. 7 square is 49 is the minimum value of this function. This is the chapter we covered is maxima and minima in trigonometry. Hope you will enjoy. For more trick like this, WhatsApp on our number 97284359115. Soon I am launching our CGL tattoo test series, but we will take test after one of
November. Before that, I want to cover the maximum important topics so that we can get good score. Okay. Best of luck for your CGL exam. Thank you.